boys and girls. I would just like to say hello to you this morning and to let you know that I'm missing you all so much. This morning, Teacher Susan is going to be taking the assembly for you, and she'll be sharing a lovely message with you, which I want you to listen to very carefully. Boys and girls, your teachers have been telling me that you've been working so hard, you've been trying your very best, and that really, really makes me so happy. And most importantly, that you are learning. Stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you all, hopefully very soon.
Hi boys and girls, I hope you're having lots of fun with your families at home. I miss all your smiling faces so much. The teachers are all very proud of you. We get so excited every time we get a photo from you because we love to see your paintings and your drawings and your sticking and cutting and your reading and your counting. It makes us excited because that means you are learning. Thank you for being such superstars. I think we should give everybody 10 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After the lockdown, we're going to come back to school and have loads of fun together at school. But for now, we have to stay at home and stay safe. It might feel a little different to be at home every single day and you're not doing the things you usually do, like go to school and go to the shops with mom or dad. And sometimes I think it might feel a little bit scary to hear about the coronavirus. But you know what? We can have peace. Peace in our hearts. Do you know what peace is? There's a story in the Bible that explains peace. And I found my daughter Jessica's old Bible. And here's a little picture. It's a story about Jesus in the boat with his friends. And one night there was a horrific storm. The wind was blowing, the lightning was thundering in the sky. Jesus' friends got such a fright. They said, "Oh my goodness, Jesus, please help us, save us from this crazy storm." But you know what Jesus was doing? He was sleeping in the middle of the storm. "Wake up, Jesus," his friends said to him. Jesus woke up and he said in a very calm voice, "Why are you so afraid? Just trust me." And he got up and he stood in the middle of the boat and he said, "Wind, stop. Thunder, stop. Storm, stop." And you know what happened? The wind calmed down. The crazy rain and lightning and thunder went away, and the sea became calm and calm and calm. See, Jesus can bring calm, like he did in the storm. He can also bring that calm into our hearts. Sometimes it feels like there's a storm going on in our hearts, and we sometimes get scared. But if we look to Jesus, like the disciples, like the friends of Jesus, they looked up to him. We look to him. He can give us peace and rest in our hearts again if we go to him with all our worries and the scary things in our hearts. We don't have to be scared of anything because God will take care of us. You know, that reminds me of a song. He's got the whole world in his hands. Should we sing that? He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 He's got you and me, friends, in his hands. He's got you and me, friends, in his hands. He's got you and me, friends, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the itsy bitsy baby in his hands. He's got the itsy bitsy baby in his hands. He's got the itsy bitsy baby in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. One more time. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. That makes me feel okay now, because I know that God's got me in his hands as well. I can't wait to see you all again. But until then, keep calm and do your best And remember, listen to your mums and dads. Bye!
Good morning, Sunningdale Prep Campus. How are you today? I miss you all. I love you all. I can't wait to see you. I miss your hugs. I miss your kisses. I miss everything. I miss to cook for you guys. I can't wait to come back to work with you guys.
Hi there, that's me, Peter. I just want to say good morning to all Sunningdale campus children. I miss you guys. I wish I can be there for you. But the coronavirus stop us. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Stay indoors. Thanks. Bye.
Sunningdale Prep Pre-Primary. I'm missing you so much and can't wait to see you again. You are so special to me and I miss my daily hugs from you. Please stay safe and take it easy. Moms and dads, please give them a big hug from me. I hope to see you all very soon. Lots of love.
Three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my
finger, so red finger, did it bite his little finger on my right